Hello, YouTube. All right, that was mostly me. Everybody say hello, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
That was a little better.
Hi.
Hi, everybody. We are back. We are back. Obviously, we're going to have a theme here for our guests. Anyways, I want to do a super quick review of what we learned. A quick review of what we need to know. First thing I think we did was circles, or as I like to call them, cycles. Well, I can start with what we have here. We have area. Now, area is just multiplying, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
We all kind of remember this from elementary school, so that should be pretty easy for you. But when we get to triangles, it got a little bit confusing, right? But this helped us. Why did this help us? Why does this help us, everybody? Because, yeah, it's half of this rectangle, right? So the base times the height, am I right, am I right, am I right? Exactly half of it fits in there. So this is two-dimensional triangle. But if it's three-dimensional and it comes to a point, which we just learned, right? Then how much is it? It's not divided by 2, it's divided by 3. Because remember, 3 of them fit in there, not just 2 of them. So if it's two-dimensional, which is a regular triangle, it's half. If it's three-dimensional and it comes to a point, where is it? Oh, that's music. Hi, music. I forgot I had music on there. I've got all these tabs. Sorry. So if it's three-dimensional, divide by 3. If it's two-dimensional, divide by 2. You guys, does that sort of make sense? Okay.
Yeah.
But only if it's pointed at the top. What if it's not pointed at the top? Then you don't divide by 3. Thank you. So what if it's not pointed at the top, everybody? Then you don't divide by 3. Now that's for volume. Surface area is a little different. It's kind of like perimeter. So we're going to have a problem on surface area. Surface area is kind of like perimeter. It's only the outside. It's not the inside. So this is kind of like volume, which is the area inside. And this is surface area, which is only the outside, kind of like perimeter was when we first learned our area and perimeter two-dimensional figures. All right, so let's go and welcome Andrew Tate the first.
Go!
Andrew Tate, have you been working out? Like,
Father.
all right, how do we do number 1? Pick a color, why not?
Lava.
Lava, fine, okay, go ahead.
7 times 3.2.
Do we agree, everybody? Okay, good. What's the answer?
22.4.
22.4, is that right?
I agree.
Okay, good. Now, you want to remember to use meters squared because it's area. Okay, and number 2, also, what you got?
6.7 times 6.7.
Do we agree? Good. What's the answer?
44.89.
0.89? Is that right? Is that what you all got?
Yeah.
Cool. Inches squared. Let's give him a hand. Andrew Tate. Excellent job, sir. Okay, number 3. And you should be giving points to all the people that go up, okay? All right, Andrew Tate the second. All right. So how do we do this one?
So 11.1 times 8.2.
11.1 times 8.2. Do we agree with that? Yeah. Do we agree with that, everybody? Okay, what do we get?
91.02.
91.02. Is that right, everybody?
Yes.
I didn't do these yet. Okay, and are we done?
No, you have to divide by 2.
Divide by 2, just like we looked on GeoGebra, our favorite website. Is it your favorite website?
Yeah.
I like another website.
No, not really. Okay, anyways, what's the answer?
45.51.
45, say it again.
45.51.
61?
51.
51, okay. And that's meters squared. They're all meters and inches. Okay, let's hear it for Andrew Tate the second. You've been working out, man. You've been working out a lot. Okay, number 4, we got Andrew Tate the third. Yay. All right. So what are we finding? What are we finding here, Andrew?
surface area.
Surface areas. You got to really pay attention. We're not doing volume yet. If it was volume, it'd be multiplying, but it's not volume. So we need to find all of the sides. Okay, you want to pick a color?
I'll pick purple.
Purple. Okay. Whoops. Oops. Undo that. I clicked paste by accident. Here you go. All right, sir. How do you do it?
You do 7 times 5, which equals 35. And you
Okay, so which side is that?
the
Left,
top.
right, top, bottom?
The top.
The top. Okay, good. So the top is 7 times 5. That's correct.
You multiply that by 2.
Oh, let me just put the answer. Okay, so top is 35, right? Okay, top is 35, and the bottom is the same, right, everybody?
Yes.
Okay, bottom is the same. Okay, what else you got?
I got it. The sides, 5 times 5 equals 25.
The left and right?
Yeah.
5 times 5, yeah, very good. So the left and right. I'm going quick, sorry, my writing's a little bit messy. I'm doing my best. Don't make fun of me. Okay, 25. Okay, what's next?
And then the front side, 7 times 5, which equals 35.
So the front is also 7 times 5, huh? It is, huh? Yeah, so we got 2 sides that are 5. Okay, so the what is that, front and back? Yeah, front and back. Yeah, that's front and back. It doesn't really matter what you call it. It just matters that you get all 6 sides. And we should have done that first, actually. Sides is 6. All right. So let's add them all together. So we've got 4 of those 25s, which makes 100. And then we've got 2 35s, which makes 70. So I'm going to add 100 plus 70 makes 170. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Is that what you got? Andrew?
No,
No?
I got 190.
Uh-oh. I think it's 170. Did I do something wrong?
I got 190 too.
Uh-oh. What did I do wrong?
I got this 430.
It's 435.
No, you didn't put 35 on the front.
Oh, I wrote 25 instead of 35. Why did I do that? Did you say 35 and I wrote 25?
Yeah.
Whoopsies.
It's 190, right?
Right, so it's 190. My mistake. Well, it's a good thing you all are here to catch my mistake.
Yes, indeed.
See, I was rushing. Okay, so now we have 435. So that's 20, and then 140, and then, so now we got 140 plus 50. So let me erase that. 140 plus 50. You guys didn't stop me when I wrote the 35.
I'm sorry.
Okay, it's alright. So 140 plus 50 makes 190. Excellent. So this is inches squared. Woo! Oh man, we're running kind of quick. Okay, go ahead, sir. Andrew Tate. This is Andrew Tate, the I don't know, the 4th. Okay.
Alright, so I was looking at number 5, and what I did was I took 2 and 5 to
Okay,
get
2 and 5 is this left side.
and I got
So-
the area or the area of that side is 10,
Which is 10. Okay, good.
and then I took like how much it was stretched out from that side, and it was
Right.
7.
Right, so it's stretched out 7 far. So that's what we think about for volume. So 70, is that the answer?
Yeah.
70 inches. What do we put? What do we put? What do we put?
Cube.
Yeah, good job. Cube. Okay, how about 6?
And then number 6, you would take 11 and multiply it by 10 and 12 because the top is pointy.
Right, but let's do the base first. So 10 times 12 makes 120. And now we stretched it up 11.
Yeah.
But you're right, you multiply all 3. What does that make?
It makes 1,320,
Okay.
and then you divide
But
it
since
by
it's
3.
pointy,
You divide it by 3.
we divide by 3. Because remember, when we had water, 3 of them fit in there. Okay, what do we get?
440.
440 kilometers cubed. Great job. We're going fast. All right, now we've got Andrew. You guys really like Andrew Tate. All right, this is Andrew Tate the 5th. Okay, Andrew Tate the 5th. What we got? Diameter.
We gotta do 8 times 2.
Right, so this is a pretty easy one, right, everybody?
Yeah, that's why I picked it.
16, that's why I picked it. Okay, so it's twice as big because it's all the way across the circle. So you really have to pay attention to what it's asking. It's not asking you for circumference or area. All right, good job. Okay, Andrew Tate the sixth. This is a lot of Andrew Tate going on. Okay, number 8. What you got?
For number 8, I got 24 divided by 2.
Right. So why do we have to divide by 2?
Cause it says to use 3.14 for pi.
Well, careful. What's the reason, everybody, that we need to divide by 2? Anybody? Because it's not the radius; it's the diameter, and we're going to need radius times pi. Right, Andrew?
Yes.
Right? Radius times pi, and that's not radius, so we have to divide by 2. Once we divide by 2, it's the radius. It's 12. Okay, good. So now what do?
It's 12 times 3.14, and then
Yeah.
and then the answer is 452.16.
Is that what everybody got? 452.15?
16.
16? Is that right? Okay, cool. And that is kilometers squared because it is an area, so squared. Okay, what about number 9?
We do the same
The
thing.
14,
We do
yeah.
the same. We do 4 times 4 times 3.14, and the answer is 50.24.
50.24
24.
yards squared. Excellent. Ooh, I think we have time to do number 10. We're going so quick. Yay. Y'all are doing a great job. All right, you want to pick a color, the next Andrew Tate?
I'll choose lava.
What?
Lava.
Lava. Excellent choice, right, everybody? Okay, lava. So, we need to find the area. What do?
Well, first you multiply 4 times 4 in the square.
Okay, so we're finding the middle square first. Did you all do that first? Oh, I push undo and it moves up. I hate that. Okay. Okay, sorry. Ooh, come on. Ooh, now I push Microsoft Word. Ooh. All right. So 4 times 4 first for the middle, and that makes 16. So we got 16 for the middle. Okay, what did you do next?
Divided 4 times 6 for the triangles.
4 times 6 for the triangles. Okay, so either one. Let's do the top one. So 4 times 6 makes 24. Then what?
And then divided by 2 because it's pointy.
Right, it's a triangle, so divide by 2. So that makes 12. Okay, good. So this guy's 12. What next?
The bottom is also 12 because it's
Bottom
the
is
same.
exactly the same, right? 6. So we don't have to do the same calculations, do we, everyone?
Then you add it all together.
Then you add it all together. So
12
12,
plus-
16, 12.
12
12.
plus 12
I'm going to do
24.
12 plus 12, which makes 24,
And then
right?
plus 6 is 40. Plus 16.
it makes 40.
Yeah.
Isn't that right? So 40 centimeters squared. Let's give all the Andrew Tates a hand because we were rushing so much. We didn't do a lot of stuff. You're swole.
Thank you.
Swole. All right. Bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.